Hi, this is Shad with LoveToCode.com. Welcome back to another tutorial on Java JDBC. In this video, we will learn how to use store procedures. In this video, we're covering out parameters. Please check out my other videos that cover the other parameter types, such as in out, and returning a result set. For this tutorial, we will use the following table, employees. The table has sample data for testing. I have a SQL zip file that you can download. It'll create the table, add sample data, and also set up the store procedures. You can download it from the link below. So let's learn about out parameters. We will call a store procedure and it will return an output parameter for us. Our DBA created a store procedure called getCount for department. It is a very simple example that reads the parameter for the department name. The store procedure will return the number of employees in a given department. The first parameter is the department name. The second parameter is the output for the count. This is a contrived example. We could do the same thing with a regular SQL statement, but here we're just trying to demonstrate out parameters with store procedures. You could develop a more advanced store procedure that could return different types of data. To use out parameters, we prepare the call as before, using a question mark as a parameter placeholder. We set the first input parameter as the name of the department. Next, we register the second parameter as an out parameter. Since the store procedure will return the out parameter as an int, we make use of types.integer. The types interface is defined in the java.sql package. Then we execute the store procedure. Once the execution is complete, then we get the value of the out parameter. In this case, we retrieve it based on the parameter position, which is position 2. Remember that parameters are one-based. This will give us the output from the store procedure. Let's switch over to Eclipse and see this in action. I have a very simple Java program called getCount for department. Let's walk through the code. First thing I'll do is get a connection to the database, set up a variable for the actual department name. Then I'll prepare a call for the store procedure, getCount for department. I'll make use of two parameter placeholders. I'll set the first parameter to be the actual name of the department, and I'll register the second parameter as an out parameter of type integer. Then I'll execute the store procedure. Once the procedure is complete, then I'll get the value of the out parameter, and I'll retrieve position 2, and then I'll simply display the output to the screen. All right, so let's go ahead and run the application. Do a right click, I'll just do a run as, Java application. It'll give me the output. And we can see that we actually call the store procedure for engineering, and it returns the value of 4. So this means that there are 4 employees in the engineering department. I can verify this in my SQL editor tool. I can make use of a select statement, select star from employees where department equals engineering, execute, and it gives me the result of 4 employees. So we know that the store procedure is working as desired. Well, that wraps up our discussion on store procedures using out parameters. We were successful in calling store procedures and retrieving parameter values. Stay tuned for the next video. I will show more examples of using store procedures and parameters